And straightway he preached Christ in the synagogues that he is the Son of God. That would have been radical. Remember, this same one who was once an agent for the synagogues and the religious leadership of that time is now coming in and saying, prepare ye the way, because Jesus is real. I feel for those that might know John P. Key, you know how he used to say, Jesus is real. I know the Lord is real to me. And I'm telling you, he's coming in and he's saying straightway, prepare the way, because this Lord, this one who I persecuted, the people I persecuted him, I persecuted his people. But this is the Jesus that is the Son of God.